I'm the Foreseer, and today I'm showing you how I took my hair from this to this. And today I'm taking you on vacation with me so you can see how my locks and I enjoyed this wonderful sun and the salt water. It's the next day, and yes, I have already had to dry my hair. You may be wondering, did I bring my Rev Air with me? Yes, I brought my Rev Air with me in my carry-on luggage, and she came in clutch. Now, I also twisted my hairline. I'm going to show you. They're so tiny, you may not even be able to make them out. Each little cluster is about 6 little twists, and that just made it really easy. When I was going out, I would flat iron my hairline, but having them twisted was great for the water and great for easy, quick styling whenever we had somewhere to go, like dinner that same night. So I'm actually here for my friend. It is her cousin's wedding, and I got to be her plus one, or as I was calling myself, her carry-on luggage. So I had washed and Rev Aired my hair, and then I tried to see if these little plasticky curlers would work, and you know, I don't know if I have a verdict on them yet because it was humid, but I like the idea of them. So I'm just trying to hurry up and get myself ready so that we can go ahead and see this beautiful ceremony. And I was running a tiny bit late, but I'm gonna hurry up and finish up so I can show you how the finished product turned out. Okay?
I knew there was another one. Good God.
So in comparing before dancing and after dancing, I think we did pretty good. The curls didn't last very long, but I mean, the look is still looking, so I'm grateful that it lasted. So throughout the vacation, I had a lot of questions about my hair. So folks would come up and they would have to get really close to me to realize that it was all my hair. And then they had a lot of questions about upkeep and maintenance. So, you know, I'm gracious and I love when people have questions, so I answered them. I answered all the questions I could. The question I got asked the most is if it was all my hair, and it is 100% all my hair. So if you were wondering the same thing, now you know too. And so we've reached the end of this vacation hair video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'm gonna drop in a few outtakes for you, so while you're enjoying those, go ahead and drop a like. Okay? I love you. Bye-bye.
Yes, ma'am. Ooh, ooh, ow.